welcome to All Aboard. This is Aditya. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the Indian culture and heritage related the questions related to temples, places, nicknames, and the monuments made by whom. So all these things we are going to cover in this video. During the video, I'll keep my cam off, so it will be easy for you to see the complete PPT, guys. Let's move towards the topic, starting with the temple. The first temple is Konark Sun Temple, or simply called Sun Temple. So basically there are two sun temples situated in India. One is in Odisha and other is in Gujarat. The most important one is Konark Sun Temple. This sun temple was built by Narasimha Deva first, East Ganga dynasty in 1255. It was made in 1255 AD. 1255 AD. It is formed in the form of chariot of sun, gold or Surya. Its view is like you are observing a sun. It has 12 pair of stone wheels, pillars, and walls have elaborated carvings. Some are erotic images of Mithunas. There are few images of Mithunas. Most important point is that the temple has oriented toward the east, so that the first ray of sun entered from the main entrance. The first ray of the sun entered from the main entrance. Second thing, the wheel of temple acts like a sundial, which can calculate the time accuracy a minute. Means it is almost you can say that a type of watch, which was formed years ago, which was formed, a type of watch in which the time can be calculated properly. So it has Odisha or Kalinga style of architecture, which type of architecture it is, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now, what will be the question in the examination? Mostly they can ask you the question, Sun Temple is situated in these of the following which state? Konark, Odisha. Second, it was formed by whom? Narasimha Deva, East Ganga dynasty. Third, that what is the architect? Which architect it is? So it is Odisha or Kalinga style architect. So these are the few questions which comes in the examination. Next one is Lingaraja Temple. It is situated in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It was constructed in 11th century by the king Yayati Keshri of Somvansh. And some part of the temple was built in 7th century. So it was built in 7th and 11th century. It also belongs to Kalinga style of architecture. Sandstone and laterite are the main things which are used for the construction of the temple. It was built in Delua style and have 4 components. There are 4 components. I would suggest you that such components and all are not important until you are not writing the mains examination. जब तक आपका कोई मेंस का डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जाम नहीं होता तब तक आपसे ये कंपोनेंट्स और ये सारी चीजें नहीं पूछी जाती है. मोस्टली इन द ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जामिनेशन, अगर आप ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो इन द ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम लिंगराजा टेम्पल built in which century, by whom, situated at which place. So these will be the question. You can cover such type of points. Next one, Jagannath Temple, Puri, Odisha. Where it is situated? It is also situated in Puri, Odisha. 12th century it was formed by Anant Varma Deva, Eastern Ganga dynasty. It is also made by Eastern Ganga dynasty, located in east coast of India at Puri. The temple is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, means Lord Vishnu. The temple details are unique as they made of wood, which replaced in every 12th year. Maybe you heard about the Rath Yatra, Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. अगर आप लोगों ने जगन्नाथ पुरी की रथ यात्रा के बारे में सुना होगा, तो यहाँ पर जो टेम्पल है, टेम्पल में जो ओवरऑल सिंहासन है, दैट सिंहासन हैज बीन चेंज्ड इन एवरी 12 ईयर. उसको हर 12 वर्षों में क्या किया जाता है? चेंज किया जाता है. एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द 4 धामास, 4 धामास according to the Hindu faith or Hindu tradition. तो हिंदू ट्रेडिशन के हिसाब से इट इज वन ऑफ द 4 धाम, 4 धामों में से एक है। नेक्स्ट वन, शिव सागर, शिवा सागर शिवडोल टेम्पल और शिव सागर टेम्पल, इट इज सिचुएटेड इन आसाम, शिवा सागर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आसाम। Ahom king Shiva Singha constructed it. It is a group of 3 temples, that is Shiva Dol, Vishnu Dol and Devi Dol. It means Shiva temple, Vishnu temple, Devi temple, located on the bank of river Shiva Sagar tank. It is made in Ahom style of architecture and it was constructed in 17th century. 17th century में इसका construction हुआ था और Ahom style of architecture which is a famous architect of Assam, उस field में उस architect में ये available है और situated in शिव सागर आसाम। नेक्स्ट वन, लक्ष्मण टेम्पल सिरपुर छत्तीसगढ़, 7th century it was constructed, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and Lakshmana temple is the excellent example of brick temple. It is a brick temple. Usually you will find the temples are made with the help of stones, but it is a brick temple. The temple is uniquely symmetry, curving pillars. Image of Vishnu and Krishna Leela are found on its wall and pillars. The site has number of Buddhist structure including Virhas and the statue of Buddha Mahavira. So statue of Buddha and Mahavira also you will find here. The site is having the Buddhist structures as well. So the temple is situated in Sirpur, Chhattisgarh. Khajuraho temple, a very famous temple of Madhya Pradesh. It was built by Chandel kings during 1950 to 150 century. It is a complex which contain multiple temples of Hindus as well as Jain temples. मतलब यहाँ पर हिंदू और जैन temples दोनों तरीके के temples हैं. Most of being the famous one is Lakshmana temple. यहाँ पर भी आप देखें, मैंने छत्तीसगढ़ का बताया, just I told you about the Chhattisgarh, and here also you will find Lakshmana temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Kandariya Mahadev temple, it is very famous. Kandariya Mahadev temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Chausat Yogini temple and Parshanath Jain temple. Chausat Yogini temple and Parshanath Jain temple, these are the most famous temple of Khajuraho temples group. Nagara style of architecture has been used and it was formed by Chandela kings. It's important that who have made these temples, it was formed by Chandela kings. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sun temple, I told you one is Sun temple you will find in Konark, Odisha. Another is Modhera. It is situated in Gujarat. It was built by Raja Bhim Dev of Solanki dynasty in 1026th century. It has a rectangular stepped tank of Surya Kund, which is over 100 square meter, and the grandest temple tank with 108 miniature shrine curving between the steps of tank. एक बड़ा सा you will find a big type of pool here. I have tried to show in the image also. This type of pool is also here. It is a very unique thing which you will be able to find in this temple. So one more Sun temple is situated in which state? It is situated in Gujarat. Raja Bhim Dev of Solanki dynasty has constructed it. Next, we'll try to discuss them in the form of table. Otherwise, with the help of pics and all, it will take lots of time. And for the examination, definitely they are going to ask you that temple name and where it is situated. Mostly these things. So Somnath temple, it is situated in Gujarat. It is also known as Diopatan. It is one of the 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग shrine of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva के 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग जो हैं उनमें से एक आपका सोमनाथ टेम्पल भी है. There is no land between the seashore and from the Somnath temple to Antarctica. Constructed in Chalukyan style. 1947, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister and the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, ordered the reconstruction of temple That was completed in the year 1951. So who has ordered the reconstruction of Somnath temple in the year 1947? Could be a question. Answer will be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. Next one is Dwarikadhish Temple, Gujarat. It is also situated in Gujarat. It is also known as Jagat Mandir. Also known as Jagat Mandir, one of the 4 Hindu pilgrims, means Char Dham. It is one of the Char Dham of Hindus. Originally structured and destroyed. Original structure was destroyed by Muhammad in 1472. Presently, Chalukya architecture style is present there. Usually they will ask you where it is situated. Lord Venkateshwara temple, it is situated in Andhra Pradesh. The temple is situated on Trimala Hills. Trimala Hills, also known as Tirupati Balaji temple. Everyone knows with this name only, that Tirupati Balaji temple. It is also called the Temple of 7 Hills. It is also called the Temple of 7 Hills, made in Dravidian architect style. Dravidian architect style. Next one is Mahabodhi temple. Very, very important and very historic temple. Mahabodhi temple is situated in Bihar. It is a Buddhist temple. Central tower of Mahabodhi is 180 feet tall, and that is 54 meters tall. It is one of the oldest brick structure, the brick work despite the life of Buddha. It is one of the important UNESCO World Heritage sites situated in India. So Mahabodhi temple is situated at which place? It is situated in Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Bodh Gaya, Bihar. This is the place which is famous for that Mahavir. It is the place where it is called, not Mahavir, sorry, Buddha got Nirvana. Buddha got Nirvana in Bodh Gaya. Next one, Vaishno Devi temple. It is situated Jammu and Kashmir, 5,200 feet above the sea level at Tirukutta Hills. It is a cave temple. Vaishno Devi temple, it is a cave temple. Amarnath temple. Amarnath temple is also situated in Jammu and Kashmir. It is a cave temple situated at the altitude of 3,888 meters. It is one of the 51 Sakti Peeth. It is one of the 51 Sakti Peeth, and it is believed that Bhrigu Muni, one of the greatest archaeologist of India, the ancient archaeologist of India. So Bhrigu Muni got the alignment of the faith toward the God, or you can say that जो परम ज्ञान, मुख्य ज्ञान, परम ज्ञान की प्राप्ति जो हुई थी भृगु मुनि को, that he has got at Amarnath temple. उनको अमरनाथ टेम्पल पे हुई थी. Virupaksha temple, it is situated in Karnataka, built under Vijayanagar Empire. It is one of the form of group of monument situated in Hampi. Hampi is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. तो usually आपसे पूछ लिया जाता है that Hampi is situated in which state. So same thing guys, Hampi is situated in कर्नाटका, और हम्पी में ही सिचुएटेड है आपका विरूपाक्ष टेम्पल. विजयनगर एम्पायर ने इसको डेवलप किया था, इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था. गोमतेश्वर टेम्पल, इट इज सिचुएटेड इन कर्नाटका, ऑल्सो नोन एज बाहुबली टेम्पल. इसे बाहुबली टेम्पल भी कहा जाता है. इट इज tallest monolithic statue of Gomateshwar in the world, carved around single block of granite. Single block of granite से बना वर्ल्ड का tallest statue है. It is the Jain temple and 57 feet high, built by Ganga dynasty minister and commander Chandra. Built by Ganga dynasty minister and commander Chavundra Rai. So Chavundra Rai has constructed it. He belongs to Ganga dynasty. Next one, Ramanath Swami temple. Ramanath Swami temple, also known as Rameshwaram. In usual language, day-to-day language, we call it Rameshwaram. So it is also Rameshwaram. It is also one of the 12 Jyotirlinga. ये भी आपका एक ज्योतिर्लिंगा है. Also one of the चार धाम्स. चार धाम्स में से एक है ज्योतिर्लिंगा. It is situated in Tamil Nadu. Built in Dravidian style of architecture. Pandyas and Jaffna kings created it. Meenakshi temple, it is situated in Tamil Nadu. Dravidian architecture, over 40 years of inscription, and situated at which place? It is situated in Tamil Nadu. Next one, Ranganath Swami Temple. One is Ranganath Swami Temple. Ranganath Swami Temple is also situated in Tamil Nadu. It is one of the most important 108 Divya Desham Vishnu Temple. It is also built in Dravidian style. Dravidian style, constructed at the time of Vijayanagar period. It is first temple to be awarded by the United Body for protecting, conservation the cultural heritage. Brihdeshwar Temple, Tamil Nadu. Brihdeshwar Temple, Tamil Nadu. Raja Rajeshwar Temple, also known as Raja Rajeshwar Temple, it is situated in Tanjavur. Tanjavur, also constructed in Dravidian style, formed by Raja Raja Chola I. Raja Raja Chola I, one of the tallest temple in India, made completely by granite. Completely by granite. It is also the part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Yeah, situated on the bank of Kaveri River. So moving towards the next one, Raja Gopal Swami Temple. Raja Gopal Swami Temple is situated in Tamil Nadu. Also made in Dravidian style, means you will find the temples in Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Most of the temples are formed in Dravidian style. And yeah, it is also known as Dakshin Dwarika. It is also known as Dakshin Dwarika, the temple which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Nataraj Temple, situated in Tamil Nadu. The temple wall displaying 108 karnas of Natya Sastra by Bharat Muni. Bharatanatyam, it is the source of Bharatanatyam, classical dance of Bharatanatyam. This is the source of classical dance of Bharatanatyam, and it was constructed in 10th century by Chidambaram, who was a king of Chola dynasty. Chola dynasty के king Chidambaram ने इसको construct किया था. नटराज temple है, तमिल नाडु में situated है. So this is the important list of the temples in India I told you. Now the next one is list of classical dance in India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. कथक उत्तर प्रदेश, कुचिपुड़ी आंध्र प्रदेश, ओडिसी ओडिशा, कथकली केरला, सत्रिया आसाम, मणिपुरी मणिपुर, मोहिनी अट्टम केरला. very important. Most important, you will observe Kathak in examination. Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. These 5 are most important, which on regular basis comes in the examination. Very regular basis you will find them in the examination. So learn this table by heart. Properly you should learn this table. But I am giving you the other classical dance also from few important states which comes in the examination, like Yakshigan. It comes in the examination, came in the examination multiple times. Yakshigan, it belongs to Karnataka. Huttari, Sogi, Kunthiya, Karga, but most important is Yakshigan from here. Yakshigan, Karnataka. Kerala. Kikutti Kali, Ottam, Kikutti Kali, Kerala. Maharashtra, Lavani, this is important. Lavani belongs to Maharashtra. Nakata, Koli, Gafa, Dahikala, Dasavatar, but Lavani is most important from here. So I have given you the complete list. Most important, I will define you. Bihar, Jata Jatin, it comes in the examination. Bihar. Manipuri, Do Cholam, Thang, Tangla, this is important. Jammu and Kashmir, Rauf, very important. Haikat, Manjas, Kaud, Dandi Nach. Gujarat, Garwa, Dandiya Ras. Garwa is most important. Dandiya Ras is very important. Assam, Bihu. It is a festival also. Bihu festival. Bihu festival celebrated in which state? So answer will be Assam. So Bihu. Khel Gopal. Nat Puja. Maharas. Sometimes Maharaj gets confused with Maharashtra also. But Maharas, it is the classical dance of Assam. Next, few questions which I have observed in the previous examination and related to the dance forms in India. Which is the national dance of India? The national dance of India is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the national dance of India. Which is the oldest dance form of India? Oldest dance form of India is Odissi. Bihu is the folk dance of which state? So Bihu belongs to Assam and Rauf belongs to Jammu Kashmir. So these are the questions. Few historical monuments in India and their builders, means who have constructed them. Nalanda University, constructed by Gupta dynasty. Location is Rajgir, Nalanda, Bihar. It is considered one of the oldest it is the oldest university in India. India का oldest university आपका नालंदा. तक्षशिला considered as the oldest university in the world और नालंदा आपका इंडिया का है oldest one. Seven Pagodas of Mahabalipuram. Narasimha Varman II, Mahabalipuram situated in Tamil Nadu. Ajanta Cave, Satvahan dynasty, later Mauryan dynasty, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Ajanta caves formed by Satvahan. Ellora Cave, Kalachori, Chalukya and Rashtrakuta dynasty. Three dynasty: Kalachori, Chalukya dynasty, Rajputa dynasty, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Agra Fort, Mughal Emperor Akbar. Agra, Uttar Pradesh. 1000-pillar temple, also known as Rudreshwar Swami temple. So in the list of temples we have not discussed it, that is why I took it here. Rudreshwar Swami temple. Kakatiya dynasty, it is situated in Telangana. Kakatiya dynasty situated in Telangana. Red Fort, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, Delhi. Everyone knows this. Taj Mahal, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Fatehpur Sikri, Mughal Emperor Akbar, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Bibi ka Maqbara, this is important guys, it was made by Aurangzeb in the memory of his wife, and it is situated in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, called Bibi ka Maqbara. It is very, very similar, means it is like you can say that a duplicate form of Taj Mahal, but it is almost in black color. Jama Masjid, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in Delhi. Moti Masjid, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Qutub Minar, Qutubuddin Aibak, Delhi. Humayun tomb, Akbar Humayun's wife, Bega Begum constructed it in Delhi. Hawa Mahal, Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Charminar situated in Hyderabad, Telangana. So two things I told you, location they can ask you, constructed by whom? Kuli Qutub Shah. Elephanta Cave, exactly who made it, nobody knows till now. Mumbai Harbour, Maharashtra, it is situated. Bada Imam Bada, it was made by Asaf ud Daula, Nawab of Awadh. It is situated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Dilwara Temple, Visupal Tejwal, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Gateway of India, British government constructed it in 1911 to welcome George V. George V was the king of Britain of that time. It is constructed in Mumbai, Maharashtra in 1911. India Gate. It is designed by Edward Lutyens, Delhi. Jantar Mantar, Maharaja Jai Singh, Delhi. Purana Killa, Old Fort, Sher Shah Suri, Delhi. Last thing guys, nickname and the cities. Manchester of India. Which city is known as Manchester of India? Ahmedabad. Manchester of South India, Coimbatore, because of the famous for a business, basically for textile business. City of Prime Minister. Most of the Prime Minister in India are from Allahabad. Now the city is known as Prayagraj. Which Indian state is called the land of black diamond? Correct answer is West Bengal. Scotland of India, Coorg, Karnataka. Coal capital of India, Dhanbad, Jharkhand. Tea city of India, Dibrugarh, Assam. Steel city of India, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Cashew capital of world, not only India, Kollam, Kerala. Queen of Arabian Sea, Kochi, Kerala. Ice cream capital of India, Mangalore, Karnataka. City of Seven Islands, Mumbai. A few more questions you will get, like which city is known as Electronic City of India? Which city is known as Electronic City of India, Garden City of India? So answer will be Bangalore. Which cities are called twin cities? Hyderabad and Sikandrabad are called twin city, connected city, twin cities. Which city is called lock city in India? Aligarh is lock city because of the famous locks of Aligarh. Which city is called unlock city in India? Unlock city means the city without any lock, without any doors even. So that is Sunny Signapur, Maharashtra. So there are few questions, but they used to come less in the examination, so I didn't kept them in the list. तो जो exam prospectus से important थे उनको मैंने list में रखा है. I discussed it, and I hope guys, I hope that you guys find the session proper and fruitful for you. You will